much your embarrassment as it is ours.
No. Ouch.
Okay? I am just trying to figure out kung ano talaga ang nangyari, kung bakit nagkaganyan, kung ano ang mga issues, kung bakit such a letdown yung performance ng Sabado. But I guess we have to work it out from there. Ang mahalaga at this point is ma-identify natin yung mga problema, mga individual problema ng bawat performer, kaya nagkaganoon. Di ba? Kasi kung tutuusin talaga, okay, noong Sabado, 4 lamang sa inyo ang nag-perform. Yun ay sa aking sariling pangkikilatis. Okay? Who are the 4? The top 4. Okay? That is namely Bugoy, Lizelle, Larnie, and Apon. All the rest were in various shades of disaster. Okay? Ranging from the pathetic to the oh my God. Okay? Which is really surprising kasi dapat habang nagpo-progress ang Dream Academy, mas mahirapan ang tao na malaman kung sino ang kanilang ilalaglag dahil pagaling ng pagaling ang grupo. Okay? Napaka-erratic yata ng progression natin. Parang up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay? Ngayon, ang gagawin ko, mabilisan ko lamang iisa-isahin ang mga performances. Ito ang komentaryo ko. Okay? Sa performance. Tapos tatanungin ko kung sino man yung nag-perform, kung ano ang naging problema niya. Okay? Maski yung top 4, bibigyan ko rin ng pagpupuna. Okay? Doon sa kanilang mga nagawang mga performances. Okay? Maybe, klaruhin natin to. I'm going to be vicious, but I'm going to be very constructive, and let's see where the problem lies. Okay? Let us see where the problem lies. Okay? Can we start first with Miguel? Boom. Napanood mo na ba ito, Miguel? Hindi pa. Okay, watch it.
You never close your eyes anymore when I kiss your lips.
Mga nota mo, pakinggan mo.
And there's no tenderness like before in your fingertips. You're trying hard not to show it, baby. But baby, I know it. You lost that love and feeling.
Watch your eyes, Miguel. And then I'll tell you how your eyes betray the quality of your performance.
Napasa si Direk.
Come on, we're dancing it now.
Solo concert.
Bring back that love and feeling.
I thought they were clapping.
Oh, that love and feeling.
Okay, cut.
Bring back that.
You weren't there. You weren't there. That's not the Miguel I know. The Miguel I know, very careful technically, pagpasok, handa, dito, wala ka sa iyong sarili. What happened?
Kasi I had technical problems before the song started. Kasi the SM placed me in sa likod ng LED. Tapos may song started to play kasi hindi bumubukas yung LED. Sabi niya, Miguel, doon ka na sa preset ka pala. So tumakbo ko pupunta dun sa, and I got distracted now.
Wrong. Remember focus? Remember killer?
Yes.
Miguel, kakanta ka na kahit putang ina sa harap mo, pinapatay si Christian. Okay? You get what I mean? Lock out everything. You become a machine. The moment yung inabot sa'yo ang mic and you're about to perform, your object is to sing, is to be in character. Kahit magkagulo yan, putyan, bumabagsak ng bubunga, kanta ka pa rin. Lock out. Focus. Because if you allow distractions like that, look what happened. You were not in the song. And it showed in the eyes. It showed in, your notes are going, di ba? When tayo, the teacher said, oh my God, this is not Miguel. Okay, and it was supposed to be a song which is sensual, it was supposed to be palaban, it's like, it's wimpy. Turned out really wimpy. And now, yung pala, na-discarrel ka at the